I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Nail Tech to Nail Tech here. If y'all gonna create some trendy nail design, would y'all please let us know how long it took y'all to practice that nail design and how long it took y'all to put it on the nails. Because y'all got some of my clients downloading your nails design and bring them to me, and they think that's gonna get done in 30 minutes. Not really. For example, the cat eye heart. Yup, I will reject to do that design. First of all, I can barely do the normal cat eye design. And now you gotta expect me to carry a paper clip around and some pliers to make the twist? Come on, y'all. First of all, let me introduce to you, I got some hearts that I got from Amazon. It comes with 12 different colors. They're shiny, chrome. You can put any color you like on the nail encapsulation or on the polish, whatever you like. But it's gonna give you the same result, honey. And guess what? It's cheaper too. That's why I tell the clients, y'all. Because I know some of y'all be making the video looking all nice and clean. And as a client watching the video, they just love the result, the finished work. And they come to me and they thinking, oh, you the best nail tech, you the Thai Life. I say, I am the Thai Life, but I'm also human. And I only gave you 2 hours for your service, honey. This set right here took them 5 hours. Let's be real.